peace. I want to put this down a little bit, just a little. You see, I don't want to break anything. Hopefully I can. Okay. A certain kind of magic. The touch of her fleeting winter heart makes mine skip a beat. The city comfortably tucked in for the night. Nothing but a ghost. I sleepwalk, more alive than ever. Virgin snow, thin as a wedding veil, adrift on Columbia. December winds released from the vault of heaven accommodate frosted sidewalks and holiday window glitter. Prettified trees decked out in their finest. Golden ladies of the night, a swirl in cascading confetti, wear feathery jewels of ice. This moment will be lost to morn. I remain in magic, starstruck in whitewash mosaic. Blindly I reach for your hand, the silence broken by the crunch of snow underfoot. Quayside bound, our heads bent in worship, blue-kissed lips starving for faith.